Okay, next let's study how to connect the remote controllers to work with the alarm partner G2. Before we operate it, please open the user manual to page 13 and you will see the remote controllers is from zone 31 to 45. That means you can add the remote controllers to 31, 32, 35 and 45. Okay, let's operate it.
Input password.
You can disarm it.
Disarmed.
Disarm. Input the setting
Input
button.
password.
Input password 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Input command.
Input the learning button. If you want to add the remote controllers to 40 zone, okay. And you repeat.
Disarmed.
Okay,
Armed.
it works. And you can press it. Now it's getting to the arm mode. You can disarm it. Okay, it works. Finish.